Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Like no one notices you no matter how hard you try. It's frustrating, right? But what if I told you there's a secret, something so simple yet so powerful, that can instantly make you the center of attention? You can attract anyone, effortlessly. In this video, I'm going to share that game-changing secret with you. If you want to stand out, turn heads, and be magnetic, then stay tuned and watch till the end. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Number 1. Master the art of body language. You see, 90% of your communication isn't the words you say. It's how you carry yourself. Imagine walking into a room with your head held high, shoulders back, and a confident stride. What message does that send? You command respect without even saying a word. Take Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson, for example. He doesn't need to talk to grab attention. His posture, his eye contact, they radiate confidence and strength. Now picture the opposite. Slouching, avoiding eye contact. No one's drawn to that. So, here's what you do. Stand tall, make eye contact, and own your space. Practice a firm handshake and always keep an open, powerful stance. Trust me, your presence will speak volumes before you even open your mouth. Number 2. Boost your blood flow for peak confidence. Now, you might be wondering, what does blood flow have to do with attraction? Everything, my man. When your blood is pumping, you feel alive, energized, and confident. Your skin glows, your energy is magnetic, and people can sense that. Think of it like this. Ever notice how after a workout you feel unstoppable? That's the power of increased blood flow. It fuels your muscles, boosts your brain, and leaves you feeling like you can conquer the world. Just look at athletes or high-performing men like Cristiano Ronaldo. His physicality isn't just for show. His blood flow is constantly optimized for peak performance, and it shows in everything he does. Here's how you can do it. Start with regular physical activity. Whether it's lifting weights, running, or even just a brisk walk, get moving. This stimulates circulation, floods your body with oxygen, and releases endorphins that skyrocket your confidence. Also, hydrate. Water is essential for maintaining healthy blood flow. Add foods rich in iron and nitric oxide, like spinach and beets, to your diet for that extra boost. When your blood is pumping, you're not just physically at your best. Your confidence is at its peak. And trust me, everyone around you will notice the difference. Number 3. Elevate your style game. Now let's talk about style. You can have the best body language and the strongest blood flow, but if your wardrobe doesn't match your vibe, you're missing a huge opportunity. Style is more than just clothes. It's a statement of who you are and what you stand for. Look at guys like David Beckham or even Jay-Z. They know how to dress for their bodies and their personalities. It's not about wearing the flashiest or most expensive brands. It's about wearing clothes that fit you right and make you feel powerful. A tailored suit, a well-fitted t-shirt, or even just a clean pair of sneakers can transform your entire look. Here's the key. Find your style. Don't follow trends blindly. Adapt them to what makes you feel confident. Whether it's casual or formal, make sure your clothes fit you perfectly. Get rid of anything that doesn't serve your vibe. When you dress well, you carry yourself differently. Your confidence shoots through the roof, and that makes you irresistible. Trust me, when you start dressing for success, people will notice, and you'll start attracting the right kind of attention. Number 4. Unlock the secret to clear, glowing skin. Gentlemen, I'm about to tell you something that most guys overlook, but it's a game changer. Clear, glowing skin is one of the easiest ways to instantly attract attention. Think about it. When your skin looks fresh and healthy, you radiate confidence and vitality. Look at guys like Michael B. Jordan or Chris Hemsworth. Their skin is always on point. It's a reflection of their lifestyle. You don't need to spend hours at a spa or break the bank on products, but you do need a solid routine. Start with the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and protect. A good cleanser removes dirt and oils, while a moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated and healthy. Don't forget sunscreen. The sun is one of the biggest culprits for aging and damage. And for those of you looking for the next level, I've got a whole video on how to glow up fast before 2025. Check out my video, Secret Hacks to Glow Up Fast Before 2025, for more tips and tricks that will take your skin and your confidence to the next level. Remember, your skin is the first thing people notice, so treat it with the care it deserves. Alright gentlemen, that wraps up today's video. Now you know exactly what to do to attract anyone instantly. It's all about body language, blood flow, style, and taking care of your skin. But here's the deal. 70% of you watching right now aren't subscribed. Come on, if you're serious about leveling up and becoming the best version of yourself, hit that subscribe button. Join the crew, because I'm dropping fire content every week, to help you crush your goals and stand out from the crowd. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Let's keep this momentum going. Until next time, stay fit and fearless.